So the question is, what is 5G? 5G is basically a fifth generation mobile network which is made to connect each and every device, electronic product, electronic item to each other and to everyone through internet connection. It is able to deliver internet speed that is even greater than 4G. Internet peaks are also increased compared with previous generation 4G. When it comes, more reliable internet connection can be seen with much less latency, which means more consistency and overall user experience will gonna be improved. So to know the details and about the technology behind 5G and what will we get from this, so for that watch this video till the end, and also if you like this video then please click like and hit red subscribe button to the channel, and also hit the bell icon below so that you will never miss any upcoming informative video like this. So stay tuned with me till the end. Qualcomm is the major company which plays a vital role in the development of 5G. They are making the processors that support 5G for the smartphones for better internet connection and give a better user experience. Qualcomm is also playing the most important role in 3GPP. If you don't know what is 3GPP, then it is the third generation partnership project in which a number of companies are participating for the overall development and utility of the 5G. Basically, they are making the equipments that are compatible with 5G. Qualcomm also gives the global specifications for the 5G technology. It means they are providing the standards for the 5G technology and their equipments. In this project, components, equipments, product devices are made compatible with 5G. They all work on the 5G internet connection and gives extraordinary output compared with other devices which are working on the previous generation 4G internet connection. This is all about the details of the 5G. Now come to the technical specifications of 5G. Basically 5G is based on OFDM, whereas OFDM is the orthogonal frequency division multiplier, and it is the method of modulating a digital signal across different channels to reduce interference. It is basically a method in which huge amount of carriers are used and each one is carrying a low amount of data to deliver, which leads to highly reduced interference and very less data loss. It also has very high spectral efficiency, which means data loss is effectively low. 5G also has wider bandwidth. Now let's talk about a little bit history of internet generation. In 1980s, that was the first generation of internet and that is called 1G. At that time, 1G was only able to deliver analog voice, which means only telephones could be used to transmit voice message. In 1990s, that was the time of second generation and that was called 2G. At that time 2G was only able to deliver digital voice CDMR, and that is simply calling feature, which means you could make a call through cell phone to another person, which has much more convenient because in this data is transmitted in data packets instead of electrical signals as in previous generation communication system 1G. In 2000, that was the time of third generation and that was called 3G. At that time mobile phones were able to access high speed internet connection with calling feature. It means anyone can use internet through phones anywhere easily. In 2010, that was the time of fourth generation and that was called 4G. It is now still in the usage by almost every smartphone user. And that was the time of mobile broadband. It means portable broadband like Jio 5, which can be used to create hotspot and use internet facility anywhere with high speed internet connection compared with previous generation internet connection facility. It is more convenient with very less latency and with high speed internet connection with more reliability. It is more consistent with very less latency and high speed internet connection with more reliability. With the upcoming of this, even smartphones can be used to create hotspots. Now in 2020, the fifth generation is coming and that is called 5G. This will take the internet user experience to another level and make lifestyle much easy, which is gonna seen in few years. Now see the benefits of 5G. 5G has many benefits and here we will see the few of them which are gonna be the major one. Safer transportation. Yes, the transportation facility becomes much more fast, safe and reliable because of the 5G. Real-time tracking can be done to know the exact location of the transportation medium. Remote healthcare. Medicines can be delivered and health advice can be given even at the far places and remote areas where there is no hospital facility present for the treatment. Precision agriculture. The coming of 5G, there will be the drastic advancement in agricultural equipments which will lead more efficient and precise cutting, and overall it leads to more food production. It means if you do not have a high-end desktop or laptop but you have 5G internet connection in your home, you can play high-end graphic games online with 5G smoothly. It basically does not depend upon your desktop or the laptop configuration. The maximum speed of 5G will gonna be the 20 GB per second and also 100 plus Mbps stable speed. So 5G also helps to make economy better. It improves the global economic output by $13.2 trillion. It also creates new jobs, and estimation made is 22.3 million jobs all over the world. GDP growth of approximately $2.1 trillion is also gonna seen with this. So now friends, end this video, and also if you like this video then please click like and hit that subscribe button, and also hit the bell icon below right to the subscribe button so that you will never miss any upcoming interesting videos like this. Thank you.